untuk keterpilih dalam kiraan 3, 2, 1. Okey, 9 sikit.
This is actually the first time that I shower in overseas countries without booking any accommodation like hotels, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the brow, and the first thing I saw is that there's actually a new Topen shopping center behind me. Well, this place is also a residential area with a lot of condominiums and bungalows. You can see that there's actually a condominium right behind me, and there's a car park behind me also. And next to the condominium and the car park is Aeon the Brow. Some of the notable stores include the Hai Di Lao at the Aeon Mall. But let's have a look. So the first thing that I entered the Aeon the Brow is that it reminds me of the Aeon Bukit Indah that I went last year. So it looks very similar in the sense that there's like mooncakes selling behind. There's also a bakery store. There's also food stores and a supermarket. And there is things like sushi and also the fried food. So this reminds me of the Bukit Indah outlet last year. And I noticed something new that behind me, not at this level, but one level above me is none other than the Chuggy. So the Chuggy outlet has been recently very viral and it's like a trend right now. So can't wait to try the Chuggy out. Look at why Chuggy is so popular. As you can see that there are a lot of people waiting for the Chuggy tea. The other time I went to Bukit Indah, it was the same issue, and right now the waiting time is really about 1 hour. So go and take lunch first. Generally speaking, the lunch I had just now, can say that I'm pretty full, but I have to say that maybe because there are quite a lot of orders and the staff were overloaded with the jobs, so maybe what I can say is that I wanted to order something else, like maybe the beverage or whatever, but because due to long waiting time, I decided not to.
Untuk keterpilih dalam kiraan 3, 2, 1. Okey, 9 sikit. Ambil cepatkan 2, 3, 4 jangan tak ambil. 19 ringgit. Itu dia untuk hari ini. Dapatkan harga tunai ukuran hanya Betting Power. Boleh pilih tak? Cuba tak boleh pilih tak? Habiskan mantan. Habiskan terus.
Will you believe it when they are right now having a very hot sale, selling the one queen size bed sheet, 2 pillowcases, 2 bolster case for only 39 ringgit. And the equivalent for the king size bed for 2 people sleeping is 49 ringgit. So that's pretty much of the cheap deal, and no wonder a lot of people are trying to snatch these goods and looking at what color is most suitable. You can see numerous properties that they are selling, so it can be from Johor Bahru, Kuala Lumpur, etc. And even things like Genting Island. Apparently they're also trying to target foreigners, especially Singaporeans, so need to really take a look to know in more detail, because I'm backing the properties in Malaysia. These are the brochures that I collected about the properties in Malaysia, and I would like to have a look to see what's it all about and decide on my property decisions. Yay! Finally get my Chuggy. Apparently Chuggy is so popular such that even here you need to wait for 1 hour, and I heard that when I collect my order, waiting time is now increased to 2 hours. So let me give this a try. This is actually the Ceylon black milk tea, which I ordered at a 50% discount from the original price because I purchased one Chuggy drink earlier. Let's do a taste test. I really like the rich taste of the tea, and especially the milky taste. No wonder because of the rich taste, and that's why it makes people want to come back to Chuggy more often. I noticed something interesting here, and there's actually a toy carnival in Malaysia. Okay, So basically there's this place called Fanpacker. It's actually from Finland. And one thing I want to highlight that it has been given the support from the Embassy of Finland. So you can see that this is actually a carnival for the children to play, and especially with toys. And you can see that there are quite a number of Finnish lingos in terms of the signs. There is also a train right behind me, and it's operated by this Fanpacker. I'm leaving Aeon, and the next stop I'm going to the IKEA, and definitely I want to explore the Toppen shopping mall, which I've never been before. So basically to get from the Aeon Brow to the IKEA, the overhead bridge in front. So basically what we do is we cross the overhead bridge and we will get to IKEA in no time. Not surprising that the road is full of vehicles, as you can see. You can see a lot of vehicles trying to get into the shopping malls, especially when today is a public holiday in Malaysia. In fact, today is Malaysia's 67th Independence Day. As I approach the IKEA, and you notice that behind me is actually the Toppen bus stop. So this is the terminus for the line T14, in which it goes all the way back to JB Central. If you look in front of me, I'm wondering whether are these two car parks from IKEA and also the Toppen, are they connected to each other or not? Inside, we'll see. It's already about 2:30, and yet the lunch crowd here is very massive. But right now we are going to take a look at how the IKEA Brow is like. So there's actually a characteristic on the delivery fees over here. So one thing I want to highlight to you is that because the state of Johor is much larger, so what will happen is that the delivery fees is split into Zone A, Zone B and Zone C. So for the Zone A is the one that is nearer to this store and have to pay about 75 ringgit, Zone B about 140 ringgit, and Zone C about 200 plus ringgit to those places that are far away from Johor Bahru. This is actually very different from the IKEA's delivery fees in Singapore, given that Singapore is much smaller than Johor, and Johor being about 39 times more in land area compared to Singapore. So I've actually purchased one chicken hot dog bun from IKEA, and here it actually costs 2 ringgit, and this is actually cheaper than the IKEA Singapore, in which they sell for 1 Singapore dollar. So we want to try and see how the taste is like. It's the first time that I see the IKEA store being a big hypermarket in itself. It's been directly linked to the Toppen shopping mall. So in Toppen shopping mall, it's my first time I'm here, and there are quite a lot of new shops. Some of them is still being constructing. What is this thing that's coming behind me? So well, it's actually like a go-kart, which is another new feature or notable feature of this mall. There's even a best lap looks like it's a competition, and this session is happening right now. So this is actually a complex circuit. You can see that there's another go-kart coming. And likely they are going up the ramp and down the ramp as they navigate this circuit. So you can see that the finish and start line is here, and these two have just started another race. It's the first time that I see the Mr. Dollar store, and right now they are having their first anniversary. So let's go and take a look and see how cheap the items are.
Attention to the owner with car registration number D W 6
As you can see, the Toppen is not just a shopping mall. There is even a mega theme park just right behind me. Not only that, there is also a place where basically you can play sports look like, for example, tennis, badminton, etc. behind me. So this is Forum Tabrau. You can actually see the fees, about 23 to 25 ringgit for 2 hours, depending on weekday or weekends. So you can see in front of me that there's a lot of badminton courts, and there are even supporters that cheer all the way to the other end. So in front of me, people playing badminton casually, and also basketball in front of me also, and some pickleball also. You can see a section of the carnival in front of me, basically the theme park. There are the children running from the slides, even adults. Another place I want to bring you all is the top. So I'm wondering what the top has. And board there is multi-purpose court, those in the active zone, kids area, the garden, etc. So bring you to see how it's like. The first thing I see, there's actually a playground right in front, and there's a wet area. You can see how the children are having fun in the wet play area in front of me, and the parents also joining sometimes. There are also many food outlets, as you can see, so it's really spoiled for choice. And there is even a store like selling shirts. You can also see that there's a flea market atmosphere with the music blaring, a little bit like a pasar malam. Much to my surprise, there is even an outdoor garden. And I'm like, wow. They even decorated it with rabbits, which I think is for the lights. When after sunset, there's even pavilions. Decathlon is also another highlight on this mall. They say 60 spots under one roof. 60 spots under one roof. So this is a highlight of the Toppen Mall, and I can't wait to explore and see how is it like inside. Let's go! This outlet of Decathlon really caught me by surprise. You can see that there is this yoga studio behind me. There is also some rehabilitation, especially let's say for injuries they need a massage, etc. One thing I'm surprised the most is that behind me there's even an open gym, which you need to book 7 ringgit for 1 hour. We can't even find any of these kind of facilities in Singapore's Decathlon stores, and this kind of facilities here at open Decathlon stores seriously catch me by surprise. I really don't know what to say, but here the facilities are seriously top notch. As if all this is not surprising enough, there is even a kitchen behind selling things like hot dog bun, burgers and drinks. I really don't know what to say. There are just so many facilities over here. Compared to Singapore, which the Singapore outlets, right, the Kallang outlet may have a drink store, but not as much as this. So the facilities here, I think, much more than even the Decathlon Kallang in Singapore. On my left, there's actually the changing room. So, got the shower facilities. I thought the changing room is locked until when I push open the door and it's open. But something caught me by surprise. There's a attendant inside, which actually said, no, you go and ask the customer service for the keys. So I'm going to try to ask the customer service and see what happens. And on my right is the normal toilets. Apparently the customer service said can. They thought that the door is locked, but in fact it's open. I'm very excited to see how the attendant inside the toilet reacts. Well, that was a very nice shower that I have. And this is actually the first time that I shower in overseas countries without booking any accommodation like hotels, etc. So pretty much a novel experience, and I really like the cold water giving a chilling sensation, and it makes me feel much more energized. So this is a bus stop where we bought from the IKEA all the way back to JB Central. So do take note, it's at this point. You can see it's just right outside IKEA. So you want to go back to JB Central, it's right here. You can actually see the stage bus service over here. It's this bus stop. This place, and especially this shopping mall, has caught me off guard with quite a number of key features, and I hope to be back very soon. Do remember to share, like, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you won't miss any important updates. Will my next adventure be a home or away? I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye!